So you're thinking about selling your house and you're wondering how these higher mortgage rates might impact you as a home seller. Well, you're not alone. It's actually a pretty common question I'm getting these days with the bumps in the interest rates that we've had, the higher rates, not high rates, in my opinion. Gosh, in the mid 90s, 7%, 7.5% was pretty normal. I'm Troy Schuyler. I'm a licensed real estate broker here in Roseburg, and today I'm going to discuss a topic that could have an impact on you if you're selling your house, and that is rising interest rates. It kind of mellowed out a little bit, but it's still a question I'm getting. So I'm not just going to talk about that, but I'm going to give you some tips on what you can do so you can navigate this real estate market and not get behind the curve and lose money. Key is to get your home sold. Most sellers, right, want to have their house sold for top dollar in a reasonable time frame. One of the first things to understand when you're selling your house, in any market really for that matter, is the relationship between mortgage interest rates and the cost of money. As interest rates go up, the cost of borrowing also goes up, and vice versa. It happens both ways. This means that higher rates in the mortgage side reduce the buyer's purchasing power, which reduces the number of buyer prospects who can actually buy your house. So here's the thing. Let's say you listed your home for sale, signs in the yard, photos are done, it's in the MLS, you're all excited, ready for the first showing to come through, and then interest rates begin to climb, and you're like, oh man. As a result, some of those buyers who would have and could have maybe previously purchased your home at a lower interest rate now are maybe a little standoffish, a little hesitant to commit to buying your house because of the higher cost of financing. And another thing to be aware of when selling your house is the impact interest rates have on affordability. Simply put, buyers are going to qualify for a smaller loan amount when you have higher interest rates that you have to deal with. It's just the math. It's just how it works. This forces buyers to downgrade usually their expectations, maybe settle for a smaller home or a less expensive home than what they were hoping for before. And it definitely causes them to adjust their budget according to the interest rates. It doesn't necessarily mean that your home is worth less than it was before. It's probably worth the same or more than it was before. It just means that you're going to have a smaller pool of buyers that you're going to be able to market and sell your house to. So what can you do as a home seller in this situation? You want to sell your house, but you're concerned about these rates because they've come up significantly over the past year or two, right? Well, here are a few things that you can do. Number one, pricing is so important. It's actually the number one reason homes don't sell the first time on the market. Price it competitively. Even better, price it compellingly. Set your price to attract buyers that might be on the fence or near being priced out of this market because of the rising interest rates. Properly pricing your home can increase the appeal of the house and help it to really stand out in this market. And it'll save you from future price reductions anyway that will likely need to happen. Notice I didn't say that you should underprice your house or offer a fire sale price unless that's the situation you're in. Offer a price that compels a buyer to get off the fence and into your home. Number two, highlight unique features about your home. A lot of times sellers will forget this one or they downplay the importance of it, but you're going to want to really emphasize the unique, distinctive qualities about your house that justify why somebody should buy yours and not the one down the street. Why it's worth the extra cost the buyer is going to have to possibly incur because of higher interest rates and the cost of lending. You want to showcase, for sure, your recent renovations, new stuff, energy efficient upgrades, desirable neighborhood amenities. Do these kind of things with video and drone photography is great, and then put that together with a dynamite online presentation. And finally, collaborate with a real estate professional that has experience through different markets. That would be me. You knew it was coming. I had to say it. As a real estate broker for the past 28 plus years, I've been through pretty much every type of market fluctuation you can imagine. I'm here to help you position your home in a way that you get the results that you're really looking for. I'm happy to share valuable market insights as well as buyer insights and behavior and market trends, anything you think might be helpful with no obligation. Really just help you to set realistic expectations so you can have a great home selling experience and make the move that you're desiring to make. Bottom line, rising mortgage rates can cause some challenges for home sellers, but it doesn't necessarily mean doom and gloom for home sellers, like nothing's going to sell. Interest rates just fluctuate. That's based on different economic factors. The truth is the real estate market fluctuates too. It cycles around. We've seen that lots of times over the years. But if you price your home compellingly and you showcase your home's unique features and you get the help from a knowledgeable real estate professional that understands market cycles, you can still navigate these changes and achieve the successful sale that you want and get a great price. Are you thinking about selling your house in Roseburg or Douglas County area? Shoot me a direct message. Send me a text or shoot me a call. I'd love to talk with you about it and see how we might be able to work together. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.